In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default footer in an ActiveCampaign email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open the Email Designer in ActiveCampaign. To do this, log into your ActiveCampaign account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Email, and then from the list of campaigns, select the specific campaign you want to edit. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on Edit Design. This will take you into the Email Designer, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Email Designer, let's add a new section for your footer. Scroll all the way to the bottom of your email layout. Once you get there, hover just below the final piece of content you see. You should see a plus icon appear. Click on that. A variety of layout structures will pop up, and you can choose the one that you think will suit your email footer best. With the new section in place, it's time to insert a text block. Look for the Content Elements panel, usually on the left side. Find the text block option, drag it, and then drop it into the new section you've just created. This is where you'll add important information like your company details. Next, let's get some sender information in there. Click the text block you've just added, and look at the toolbar at the top. You will see an option for personalization tags. Open that menu and navigate to Message. From there, choose the option that says List Sender Info with multiple lines. This will automatically populate the necessary company address and contact details. It's a great time saver. Now it's important to include an unsubscribe link as well. Go back to the Personalization Tags menu, select Message again, and this time choose Unsubscribe Link. Adding this link is crucial for legal reasons, allowing recipients to opt out of your emails if they wish. Alongside this, feel free to type out some standard text or even insert social media links to make your footer more engaging. After adding all that necessary information, it's time to make your footer look polished and professional. Select the text block again, and take a look at the right-hand panel. Here, you can adjust various formatting options. Change the text color to something that fits your brand, add a background color for visual appeal, adjust the padding to create some breathing room, and tweak the text alignment so everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the design, review your email to ensure everything appears perfectly and flows well. It's always a good idea to send yourself a test email to see how the footer looks in a real inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the default footer in an ActiveCampaign email. This is a small yet significant change that can enhance your email communication. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email campaigns.